Hello everyone and welcome to the Coupon Club. My name's Laura and in today's video we're going to go into Dollar General and we're going to pick up some grocery items for as low as $1 each. I put together two all food scenarios which I think are great and that you guys will love. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the store. Alright guys, so to start off this first deal, we're going to pick up 3 of the Pringles which are on sale this week, 3 for $4. And your store might not be marked, but if you ever want to check, you can always just go into the Dollar General app, click the list tab on the bottom, and then click the UPC code in the search bar so you can scan the products in the store. When you scan the products in the store in the Dollar General app, it's going to tell you the price of the item, whether or not it's on sale, and if there's any digital coupons available. So this is a great resource to be using anytime you're in Dollar General. Now we're going to go pick up some pizzas, and you want to pick up 3 of the Tombstone pizzas. These are on sale this week, 2 for $6, and there's a digital coupon for when you buy 2, you get 1 free. You should have 3 Pringles and 3 pizzas. Now we want to pick up some Cheez-Its, and you guys want to pick up $2 worth of Cheez-Its. You can either pick up a box of Cheez-Its worth $2 or these little Cheez-It snack bags which are $1 each. Whichever you go with, just make sure you scan these Cheez-Its in the Dollar General app and make sure that this coupon applies to them, which is $4 off when you spend $10 on any Coca-Colas, Pringles, or Cheez-It products. Some of the Cheez-Its don't apply to this coupon, that's why I'm saying you guys should definitely be scanning your Cheez-Its. Either way, just make sure you pick up $2 of Cheez-Its. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this box of Cheez-Its, which is priced at $2. Now we're going to get our last few items, and this is going to be the 2 liters of Coca-Colas. You can get like Coca-Cola, Sprite, etc. But these are on a promotion, 4 for $4, and again, your store might not be tagged, but if you ever want to double check, just scan it in the Dollar General app. So we're going to pick up 4 of these 2 liters. And after we have these 2 liters, we are done, guys. So in your final cart, you should have 3 Pringles, 3 Tombstone pizzas, $2 worth of Cheez-Its, and 4 Coca-Cola 2 liters. And you only need 2 digital coupons for this deal, and that is the buy 2 get 1 free Tombstone pizza and the save $4 off a $10 Pringles. If you guys are wondering why you don't see this save $4 off a $10 Pringles in your Dollar General app, that is because this is a hidden coupon, and in order to get this, you need to text the word JOLLY, Jolly, to 34898. This is going to send you a link to your phone, and it's going to bring you to that digital coupon, and make sure you add this to your account. So after we use our digital coupons, our subtotal is just going to come to $12. That is $1 per item. And I am most excited about these Tombstone pizzas. First, because I've never tried them, and second, because that means we're getting these huge pizzas for $1 each. You can't even pick up a slice of pizza for $2 nowadays. But I have another great all food deal for you guys, so let's get started on that. For our second deal, we are going to be using our $5 off a $25 purchase, so if you want to do this one, be sure to clip this to your account now. And the first items on our list for this scenario are the General Mills cereal. Certain General Mills cereals are on a promo for 3 for $6, and there's also a $1 off digital coupon in the Dollar General app. Along with this promo and digital coupon, there's also a Dollar General digital coupon for save $2 when you spend $10 on select General Mills products. So add all these coupons to your account and pick out your 3 cereals, and let's move on to the next item. Next, we're going to be getting 2 Betty Crocker cookie mixes. These also apply towards a $2 off a 10 General Mills coupon, so with these and our cereals, we're going to hit that $10 limit and be able to use this coupon. Now I do apologize, in this video I did film and grab the wrong Betty Crocker mixes. I picked up the $1 ones, but you guys have to pick up the ones which are $2 each, and they are 17.5 ounces. And just be sure to scan all the items in your cart to make sure the coupons I'm talking about apply towards the items you have. For our next item, you have the option of picking up either 2 boxes of Wheat Thins or 2 boxes of Triscuits. Whichever you go with, just make sure you're picking up the $2 box and make sure to pick up 2 of them. And if you wanted, you actually could pick up 1 of each. So there is a digital coupon for $1 off when you buy any 2 Nabisco crackers, and that's exactly what we're going to use for these. Alright guys, now we just have a few more items to go, and next on our list is the Chips Ahoy cookies family size. This is originally priced at $4, but there's a $1 off digital coupon in the Dollar General app. So clip this coupon to your account and add these cookies to your cart. And for our last item, we're going to be picking up those 3 Tombstone pizzas. These are on sale, 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you get 1 free. So once you add 3 of these to your cart, we are done. Your cart should look exactly like mine, with 3 cereals, 2 cookie mixes, 2 Wheat Thins or Triscuits, a Chips Ahoy cookie, and 3 Tombstone pizzas. And these are all the digital coupons we need to make this deal amazing. You need that $5 off of $25, our $2 off a 10 tailgate, our $1 off of a Nabisco cookie, our $1 off a Nabisco cracker, our $1 off a General Mills cereal, and a buy two get one free Tombstone pizzas. So our total for all these items before we apply our digital coupons is $27, and after our digital coupons, your subtotal will be just $14. This breaks down to just $1.27 per item. So this is another really great all food deal going on at Dollar General, which everybody can do. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Those are the 2 all food Dollar General deals that I have to show you this week. And if you like them or this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below. It would really help me out a lot. And if you haven't already, join the club. And we'll see you guys in the next one.